Shoot, yeah, but the learning kung fu. This is
Everything is good.
Everything is good. But learning kung fu is the
And
best.
these guys is good, very good. This is first time to see
In movie,
Chinese
in
kung
movie,
fu
in movie.
in movies, just in movies.
一眾國際青少年球員嚟到佛山洪聖紀念館，欣賞中國傳統武術、嶺南醒獅、蔡李佛拳等等嘅精彩展示，贏得陣陣掌聲。蔡李佛拳傳承人更加即場手把手教學，俾大家親身感受南派拳法嘅獨特魅力。
This is our first time here. We all love Bruce Lee. We all love China. We think that Serbia and China are friends, and we love you guys. And I'm looking forward to come back again. Hopefully I can get some moves here and improve my skills in Kung Fu.
喺紀念館旁邊打緊乒乓波嘅街坊，同樣吸引一班球員嘅目光，佢哋都忍唔住要落場切磋一番。之後，一眾小將仲去咗品嚐地道嘅廣式糖水，感受廣府美食嘅滋味。希望杯大灣區 U17 賽事匯聚咗法國歐塞爾、英國諾定咸森林、泰國武里男聯、塞爾維亞柏迪遜等8支 U17 隊伍，近300名青少年球員同場競技。除咗足球交流，大會亦都特登安排咗深度文化行程，俾各地嘅年輕選手認識嶺南傳統。
同組委會係進行咗深度溝通咧，就係等佢哋係可以深度咁樣沉浸感受呢個嶺南文化。中午嘅話，我哋都會安排係比較正宗嘅粵菜啦。咁而下晝嘅話，其實佢哋都會係去到好似係創意園啊等等嘅話咧，可以感受翻先鋒同埋就係傳統相碰撞嘅咁樣嘅一啲元素。